Hello viewers, if Wix is not accepting payments, so today you will learn the ways to fix Wix not accepting your payments issue. So let's get started. Step number 1, confirm your account is activated. For this, log into your Wix dashboard and check if your payments account still requires activation. If you see a setup payments or continue setup message, then follow the steps provided. Option number 2 or step number 2, check for required information. Wix may need additional business or verification details. Look for any alerts or notifications at the top of your dashboard and then complete any pending forms to avoid payment restrictions. Option number 3, switch to a supported browser. For best results, use a desktop computer with Google Chrome, and here clear your browser cache if needed. Option number 4, you can contact Wix Support if payments are still blocked. If activation is still incomplete after trying these fixes, reach out to support. Support options include live chat through your Wix dashboard or email support via the help center and phone support. It depends on your region. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.